Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest reviews and insights on the products you're curious about. Today, we're diving into the Pfister Pasadena bathroom sink faucet, a sleek and functional addition to any bathroom space. Let's get started. The Pfister Pasadena bathroom sink faucet is not just your ordinary faucet. It's a combination of style, functionality, and durability, designed to elevate your bathroom experience. Let's explore what makes this faucet stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk about design. The Pasadena collection boasts clean curves and a sturdy foundation, giving it a transitional style that effortlessly blends with any decor. Whether you're going for a modern look or a more classic feel, this faucet fits right in. Installation is a breeze with the Pasadena faucet. Thanks to its color-coded connectors, below-deck indicators, and snap fittings, you can have it up and running in no time. Plus, Pfister's Fast Connect feature reduces installation time and ensures a secure connection to water supply lines. Now, let's talk about features. The Pasadena faucet comes equipped with 2 handles and a spout, perfect for sinks or vanity countertops with 3 holes that are at least 6 inches apart. Plus, it includes a valve and cartridge, so you have everything you need right out of the box. But that's not all. This faucet is also water efficient, meeting or exceeding EPA WaterSense standards to reduce water consumption by 30%. So not only does it look good, but it also helps you save on your water bill. Durability is key when it comes to faucets, and the Pasadena doesn't disappoint. With its all-metal construction and Forever Seal advanced ceramic disc valve technology, you can trust that this faucet will never leak, ensuring years of reliable use. In summary, the Pfister Pasadena bathroom sink faucet is a versatile, stylish, and water-efficient addition to any bathroom. With its easy installation, durable construction, and sleek design, it's no wonder why it's a top choice for homeowners everywhere. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and product insights. Until next time, happy shopping!